Hey guys, so today I am back with another banger on top of another banger. So today we are going to be focusing on what the number patterns, especially on the arithmetic sequence. So without wasting your time, let's get into it. Okay, so guys, on the exam, they are going to require you to find what the general formula. But before I can introduce you guys to the exam questions, let me first explain to you what is the general formula, guys. So the general formula, it is the formula that helps you to get other terms. So its expression, it is written as what? Tn is equal to a plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket d. Okay, so you ask yourself, what is the meaning of A and what is the meaning of D, right? Okay, so the meaning of A, it is what? It is the first term. So the first term, it is represented by what? By T1, right? And then, and then the D represents what? The common difference. The common what? The common difference. So the formula for the common difference, it is what? Term 2 minus what? Minus term 1. So, okay, look at this, guys. Okay, so now I am done with explaining the. I am done with explaining this. I am done with explaining what the terminology is. So now we are going to get in the what into a exam question. So listen carefully. Okay, so now we have what? We have an example here. It is written what? 5, 7, 9, and what? And 203. So at 5, it is going to be what? Term number 1, term number 2, and then term number 3. So this one, I don't know which term it belongs to. But if you stick along, you'll find, you'll see how we find that term. So let me write this thing. Let me just write the example here. So, okay, they've given us what? 5, 7, 9, and 203, right? So, first things first, let us identify these two things. So, my A is going to be what? It's going to be 5. Why? Because of this is term number 1, term number 2, and term number 3. 203, you have to stick around for you to find out, okay? Okay, so how am I going to find the D? The formula for D is going to be what? T2 minus T1. So D is equal to what? Term number 2 minus term number 1, right? Then you just do what? You just substitute. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is going to give us what? 2. Okay. So now we have found what? We have found our common difference. So I can just say 7 minus 5 is what? Is 2. 7 minus 9 minus 7 is what? It is 2. So our common difference is going to be what? Equaling to 2. So how will you find the term number 4? Guys, listen to me carefully. You're just going to do what? You're going to add these 2 on this 9, and you're going to get what? An 11. Okay, so let's answer what? We are answering the first question. So, okay, 1. Term number 4 is going to be what? 11. Why do we say 11? Because we say that 2 plus what? Plus 9, it is going to give us what? 11. So you add the term with the what? With the common difference. Okay, so now we are done with the first question. Let's go to the second question. The second question says what? The second question says that find the general formula. So if they don't say general formula, they like this sign, Tn. So guys, don't get confused when you see what? A Tn there. It just says general formula, but in a very tricky way. So how will I find the general formula? First things first, I write what? This formula right here. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 close bracket d, right? So because of now I have identified my a and my d, whatever, I'll just do what? I'll just substitute. Then, okay, what is my a? My a is 5 plus open bracket n minus 1. What is our d? It is 2. And then 5 plus, so look at this now. We are going to use what? The FOIL method. You see? The FOIL what? Method. So we'll get what? 2 multiplied by n. 2 multiplied by n, we get what? 2n minus 2. Okay, then when we 5 minus this is going to be 3 plus 2n. And then our general formula is going to be what? 2n plus 3. That is our what? That is our Tn. So now we are done with what? With our general formula. Let's do what? The last question, guys. So guys, listen to me. These things are exam questions. Yeah, these ones are exam questions. So if you don't hold on into the procedure, you're going to have a problem when you are writing, right? Okay, then 3. Number 3 says what? Which term in this sequence equals to what? 203. So guys, if you are given a question like this, don't panic, guys. Look at what you are going to do. You are going to just say what? You are going to take what? The Tn. And where you see 203, you are going to put it where? Where you see Tn, right? Okay, let's just apply what I just said. 203 is equal to 2n plus 3, right? So now, for us to find the term, we need to make what? N the subject of the formula. Then we take what? This 3 to the other side. We are left with what? 200 is equal to 2a, right? And then divide by 2, and then n is equal to what? 200. So 203, it is equal to what? To term number what? Number 100. You can conclude it like what? Term number 100. Therefore, it is going to be what? Term number 100. Okay. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Danko.